Today, we're installing the Aquascape Smart Pond Water Treatment Dosing System XT. And I'm excited about this because pond care is one of those things that's easy to fall behind on, especially when you're trying to keep everything consistent for your fish. We have a 3,000 to 4,000 gallon koi pond, and we're pairing the system with Aquascape Maintain. What I love is that this is dosing that is designed to automatically dispense your water treatment on a schedule. So you're not guessing, measuring, or trying to remember a weekly routine. It's that steady and consistent approach that makes sense for a pond like ours. Here you can see our pond maintenance guy installing it, and it really feels like a smart upgrade. Because once it's set up, you can monitor and control it from your phone through the Aquascape Smart Control app. And it also has a low treatment alert, so it lets you know when the bottle is running low before you run out. For our pond size, the instructions say one 64-ounce bottle should last around 86 days. Which is honestly amazing. That's the kind of maintenance I can stick with. Simple, consistent, and not something I have to babysit every single week. So if you have a larger pond, lots of fish, or you just want to take the guesswork out of treatment, this is definitely worth looking at. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link. At no extra cost to you, your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.